Welcome to the Kaltura Live room. As you can see, the setup is very similar to other synchronous platforms. The Kaltura Live room is always open. It is not a session that you have to schedule. There is no scheduling ahead. You simply open the room and you can allow people in. You can lock the door and force people to wait until you're ready to let them enter, or you can simply have the room open at the time you choose. In order to get your students or participants to join, you simply invite them. You can copy the link and post it in your class, or you can email them by choosing which email address. And you can see here that it gives you an invitation with the link. Additionally, you can choose how and when to allow them to enter. We're going to go through some of the features of the room, starting with files. Files are those recordings, those JPEGs, videos, any file that you want to bring into the room. It is simply done by adding a file. You can go to your area, choose a file, and once it's ready, it will be here. And these files are for this particular class. In another session, we'll show you how to save files in My Media, which you can travel with you from class to class. But now we've got the files, and you can either play it immediately or you can add it to the playlist. Under Tools, you have the opportunity to bring a YouTube video directly in. Simply paste the URL. You can play it immediately and it will simply come up. Or you could save it to your playlist. The whiteboard has many of the same features that we have in all synchronous platforms. In addition, you can save your whiteboard as you create it. You can also have as many whiteboards as you like. You can come in, you can have a session where you write on the whiteboard, and then you can add a board. It also has the options of giving you different backgrounds. Perhaps for math, you can have a grid. There's many features in the whiteboard that can be used in order to create whatever you want to share. And again, these boards can be saved and carried from class to class. The next tool I'd like to discuss is the desktop share. In the desktop share, you simply start the screen share, audio, choose the screen, share. You'll get that mirror effect, and then you can go into the course if you like. The next feature is quizzes. You can create quizzes and simply click here, create a new quiz. You can add as many questions as you like, multiple choice, multiple answer. Open questions, which are like essay questions, are not automatically graded, but everything else would be. And again, you can save the quiz from class to class. You can also show the results in several different manners, depending on how you choose. And we also have the video library, which again is in the gallery that is housed in your course of all the videos and files that you save in that course. And you can select one. You can add it to the playlist in this class, and boom, you're done. When you want to record, that's found under Course Tools. Simply choose Recording. If you want to set the time for an exact time, 1 hour or 2 or 3, or you can manually record when you want to start and stop. Last are breakout sessions, which are very similar to what we've seen previously. You can assign students to each room and you can go from room to room.